to a single arm thruster. So, just like your normal thruster, but setting up on just the one side. You want to keep the band back here behind your arm. So the press, we're here. You don't want to be out here in front. So when you go get set up, hand goes through, fingers away from you, then we just come to this racked position. If it's too easy for you with the red band, go up to a black or purple. If you only have a red band, you'll take this, you'll just loop it around your foot a couple times. Or as much as needed. That'll give you a lot more resistance for that exercise.